Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to fix the Play Store download pending problem. Let's dive right into the solutions. Check current downloads and updates. Sometimes multiple apps updating simultaneously can cause the Play Store to get stuck. To check, launch the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device. Go to the Manage tab to see which apps are currently updating or downloading. Cancel any unnecessary downloads by pressing the X next to their names. Clear Play Store cache and data. Go to Settings and scroll down to find Apps. Tap on it. Now, scroll down to find Google Play Store and tap on it. Tap on the Storage option. Clear both cache and data. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.